To monitor the HVLV transformer at an H59 substation, our client decided to trial the GridWatch solution from Chauvin Arnoux Energy. Today, we are working in a medium-voltage electrical distribution substation to install a GridWatch unit. The objective is to instrument the transformer and the low-voltage feeders so that the distribution network operator can remotely visualize, in real time, all electrical measurements and key environmental parameters. One of GridWatch's key strengths is its fast installation. The current sensors are split-core, allowing installation without power interruption, and all other sensors are wireless. The unit and sensors are pre-configured for immediate operation. Operators can monitor in real time and analyze overtime values, such as current, voltage, power, load rate, imbalances, and temperatures. Alarms are triggered in case of drift or anomalies and sent to operation and maintenance teams for fast, targeted intervention to prevent incidents. The dashboard supervision software displays the data measured on the transformer, as well as the data from the associated low-voltage feeders. The GridWatch solution provides key, real-time, and continuous insights on medium-voltage transformers for network operators. It simplifies maintenance of transformers and electrical equipment within medium-voltage, low-voltage transformer substations.